Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be working on saving you some money on your AWS account. We're going to be setting budgets in your accounts, that way you don't overspend and you can track your spending in the account. So right now I'm in my root account, logged in as my root account. So what you have to do to set up the billing is you can either go to billing and cost management right here, or you can come down here, drop down and go to billing and cost management. So right now let's go there. This is the billing section. Now because I just set up this account, I don't have any bills yet, so right now there's nothing showing up. That's why I don't have this. But to set up your billing, just go over here. Let's just walk through the billing section, that way you understand what's going on here. So here for bills, if you click on bills, this is where you see your bill, any amount you incurred for the month. If you have multiple accounts, you see charges by account, you see the invoices generated and all the savings you've accrued throughout the month. Right here you can even drill down and go back to any month you want and check the billing. You can download it as a CSV or print it. If you go down here, you can even check your payments, all the payments you've made. You can view your credits if you have any. I just set up the account, so right now I don't have any credits. You can check the cost explorer. This checks your bill, and like you see the bill, you can add filters to what you want to see on the bill and everything like that. But most importantly, what I want us to check right here is there are some things we need to set on the account. That way it's easier for you to get notification on the account. So if you scroll down all the way down, you see billing preferences. Click on that. Now I want us to enable these three here, 1, 2, 3. The first one is invoice delivery. That way you get an email with a PDF of your bill. So if you click here and then check the box and updates, now you get a PDF format of the bill in your mailbox every month. Then here you want to set alert preferences. Now with AWS, once you create an account, you have a free tier. So once you exceed some free tier limits, you want to receive alerts on those too. Then you can enter your email here, optional if you don't have it set up already. But since I have my email set up to the account, I'm still going to receive the email through the email I have. Then CloudWatch billing. Now if you have exceed any billing, or you have any billing anomaly or anything, you're going to receive email through this. So updates, and there you go. So right now let's go set up our budget. Go to budgets right here, click on it. Now here, if you set a budget like it says here, it's going to alert you when you exceed your budgeted threshold. So you want to create a budget. So you can either use a template to create a budget. These are the templates right here, or you can use a custom or advanced method to create your budget. But for us, we're going to be using the template. So we want to cancel out, go back to create a budget. We're going to use a template to create a budget. Now you have two options for creating the budget using templates. You have the zero spend budget and you have the monthly cost budget. Now the zero spend budget is a budget you set that when your bill exceeds 1 cent above the free tier limit, then it's going to alert you. Then the monthly billing, the monthly cost, is when you can set an amount you don't want to exceed in a month. So when you get there, it's going to alert you that you've either exceeded or reached the monthly budget. We're going to be setting both, but first of all, let's start with the zero spend budget. You want to name your budget. For me, the name is okay right now. You want to enter your email address, the email address you use in creating the account, or any email address you want to use to receive the alert. For me, this is my email right here. Okay, so right here it says you'll be notified via email when any spend above 1 cent is incurred. Now you can just create the budget, and there you go. The budget has been created for this, and we're going to create another budget, and this time is going to be the monthly budget. So click on the monthly budget. This name is okay for me. You can change to whatever name you want. Now you want to enter an amount you don't want to exceed. For me, I don't want to exceed $10 a month. And for email, you can enter the email address again you want to receive the notification on. And here it says you'll be notified when your actual spend reaches 85% of this, your actual spend reaches 100% of this, if your forecasted spend is expected to reach 100% of this. So you're going to get 3 different emails. One is at 85, another one when it's forecasted to exceed the 100, the $10 you set up, and the third one is going to when it reaches that amount you set. And go ahead and create the budget. So now you have 2 budgets. One is the zero spend budget, and the other one is a monthly cost budget. So that's it. You set up your budget, and you should be alerted when you reach or exceed those limits. And to manage your budget, you can click on, if you want to delete anyone. Right now you see I have nothing going on, so there is nothing happening. This is a fairly new account. But if you want to delete this, you can just click there, come to actions, delete, copy, or create a budget report. Anything you want. If you want to edit it, anything you want to do, you can just take care of it from here. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment, and don't forget to please subscribe and like this video and share it with anyone that just created a new account and needs help setting up budgets. Thank you very much, and have a good one.